Top 5 Infrastructure Projects in India. India has a great heritage in architecture and design. And since independence, the country has made major advances in engineering too. Be it a tunnel in the treacherous mountains or the amazing metros that connect lakhs of commuters every day, our talented countrymen have designed and executed some amazing projects that deserve to be recognized and applauded. We bring you 5 mega projects that the Indian government is undertaking for the development of the country. Hey guys, welcome to Toppy 5. If it's your first time here, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for notification. Number 5. Chenab Bridge. The Chenab Bridge is an Indian railway steel and concrete arch bridge under construction between Bakkal and Kori in the Reasi district of Jammu and Kashmir in India. When completed, the bridge will span the Chenab River at a height of 359 meters above the river, making it the world's highest rail bridge and the bridge with the widest span in the Indian broad gauge railway network. The Chenab Bridge was originally intended to be completed in December 2009. However, in September 2008 the project was halted due to fears over the bridge's stability and safety. The construction was awarded to Afcons Infrastructure Limited, the third largest construction group in India. The erection scheme for the bridge is a project in itself. Two pylons, about 130 meters and 100 meters high, were erected on either side of the river, and two auxiliary self-propelled cable cranes with a capacity of 20 tons each were used to tow temporary auxiliary ropes across these pylons. Chenab Bridge is slated to be opened in December 2021. Number 4. Mumbai Trans Harbour Link. The Mumbai Trans Harbour Link, also known as the Shevrin Hawa Sheva Trans Harbour Link, is an under-construction 21.8 kilometers freeway-grade road bridge connecting the Indian city of Mumbai with Navi Mumbai. When completed, it would be the longest sea bridge in India. The bridge will begin in Shevri, South Mumbai, and cross Thane Creek, north of Elephanta Island, and will terminate at Chille village near Nhava Sheva. The road will be linked to the Mumbai-Pune Expressway in the east and to the proposed Western Freeway in the west. The sea link will contain a 6-lane highway, which will be 27 meters in width, in addition to 2 emergency exit lanes, an edge strip, and a crash barrier. The project is estimated to cost Rs 14,262 crores. The MMRDA awarded contracts for the project in November 2017. Construction began in April 2018 and is scheduled to complete within 4.5 years. The MMRDA estimates that 70,000 vehicles will use the bridge daily after it opens. Number 3. Sagarmala. The Sagarmala project is an initiative by the Government of India to enhance the performance of the country's logistics sector. The program envisages unlocking the potential of waterways and the coastline to minimize infrastructural investments required to meet these targets. It entails investing Rs 8.5 trillion to set up new mega ports, modernizing India's existing ports, developing 14 coastal economic zones and coastal economic units, enhancing port connectivity via road, rail, multimodal logistics parks, pipelines and waterways, and promoting coastal community development with the aim of boosting merchandise exports by $110 billion and generating around 1 crore direct and indirect jobs. Sagarmala project will have 245 port modernization at Rs 1.5 trillion, 210 connectivity enhancement at Rs 2.8 trillion, 57 port-linked industrialization at Rs 5.2 trillion, 65 coastal community development at Rs 79 billion. A total of 577 projects at rupees 9.7 trillion will be built. Number 2. Bharatmala. Bharatmala Pariyojana is a centrally sponsored and funded road and highways project of the Government of India. The total investment for 83,677 kilometers committed new highways is estimated at rupees 5.35 lakh crore, making it the single largest outlay for a government road construction scheme. The project will build highways from Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana and then cover the entire string of Himalayan states Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and then portions of borders of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar alongside Terai, and move to West Bengal, Sikkim, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh and right up to the Indo-Myanmar border in Manipur and Mizoram. Special emphasis will be given on providing connectivity to the far-flung border and rural areas including the tribal and backward areas. Bharatmala project will interconnect 550 district headquarters through a minimum 4-lane highway by raising the number of corridors to 50 and move 80% freight traffic to national highways by interconnecting 24 logistics parks, 66 intercorridors of total 8,000 kilometers, 116 feeder routes of total 7,500 kilometers and 7 northeast multimodal waterway ports. Number 1. Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor. The Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor project is a planned industrial development project between Delhi and Mumbai. The DMIC project was launched in pursuance of an MOU signed between India and Japan in December 2006. It is one of the world's largest infrastructure projects, with an estimated investment of $100 billion, and is planned as a high-tech industrial zone spread across 6 states as well as Delhi. The investments will be spread across 1,500 km long Western Dedicated Freight Corridor, which will serve as the industrial corridor's transportation backbone. It includes 24 industrial regions, 8 smart cities, 2 international airports, 5 power projects, 2 mass rapid transit systems, and 2 logistical hubs. The project has received a major boost from India and Japan due to an agreement to set up a project development fund with an initial size of rupees 1,000 crore. The work is progressing at a rapid pace, with the dedicated freight corridor expected to be completed by 2021. The project is expected to double employment potential, triple industrial output, and quadruple exports from the region in 5 years. It is expected to generate 3 million jobs, largely in manufacturing. Please comment below the infrastructure project that you like from this video. Also, don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.